It's recording. Now we have to see my sister's ollie. Here we go.
What?
Can she do it?
Nobody talk.
Woo!
No.
Woo! That was nothing. Yeah, now let's look at Blake over here doing the pop shove it. Here we go. Ready, Blake?
Hey, keep running.
Oh, he fell! Oh, let's look at his face. Close up. Oh, the board's over there. That's so retarded. You're such a retard. Let's see Cody do something very embarrassing. And that was nothing.
Hey, let's actually try to do something.
You can't do anything. Okay, my sister's gonna do a U-turn.
A U-turn. It's a legal U-turn. Legal.
Legal U-turn. Oh, she fell. Okay. Wait. Now fall down and I'll laugh at you, and then you get mad and try to attack me and I'll run away. Okay, ready? Okay, Blake's gonna try to do a pop shove it, okay? Here we go. Ready, Blake? Good.
He wants to make it where you attack him. You want me to do a pop shove it?
Okay, Cody, do a pop shove it. Here we go. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? And he doesn't make it.
Should have won.
Ha ha ha. You're a dummy.
Ready?
Okay. Now this is my sister going to try to do an ollie again.
Ready?
Mhm.
Don't talk. Don't talk. You made me lose my balance.
Never mind. Yes, mine. He's a swerver. Swerver. Ooh. Ooh, he's by.
See?
And now we're gonna do bow now now running in camera. Oh, he landed it. Oh, there's a car coming. She gave us the finger. The finger. A very natural thing where people wave like this.
Like this, y'all.
Here goes Cody trying to do a move. And he fails.
Hey, what are you talking about? I landed that.
You failed.
I didn't see anything.
That was crap. That was crappy.
I didn't look.
That was crap.
I didn't know. Try to do it all in now.
I bet you're just a piece of hunk of poopy. Piece of hunk of poopy. Piece of hunk of poopy.
Ready?
Hello.
See? I can do it now. And if I can't, what?
Cody, get out the video. Come on.
Car.
What the crap? Every time I try to do one, they come.
Okay. Are you ready? Cody, get out of the picture.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Here we go. And she is warming up.
If you don't shut up.
Here we go. Moment of silence. Moment of silence, people.
Hold on. You made me lose.
Nobody watch ever turn. Except for you, retard.
Oh. And she does it. She makes it. She makes the ollie. As you can see, if you look very closely, you can see the ollie lifting off the ground while Cody's butt is going across it. You can see right between his legs, you can see the little wheel going up. Now here we have a meat van delivering meat to the local meat store. Say hi, meat man. He said, nah! Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Don't be videotaping people.
Okay. Blake's gonna try to do the ollie.
Ollie?
Ollie.
No. Fakey shove it.
Fakey shove it. Fakey shove it, people.
Move.
He doesn't land it.
Yes, I did for a second.
You didn't land it. You didn't land it. Cody's falling to the ground while Cheyenne is, well, she's doing crap. And Blake is repeating a cuss word over and over. What is it? How do you say it? The F word? Is that what you're saying to your board? Blake, what are you doing? Stop saying that. Oh, Cody, stop saying the B word.
Loki!
Don't call me the B word. Sissy, stop saying the A word.
Primo flip, baby. If I can get it.
Okay, Blake is going to try the primo flip. Here we go.
And his brother's on too.
And he lands it perfectly.
What? Woo!
And there's another car coming. And that ends our session with skateboards on the right.